Welcome to Richwoods here in Frisco, Texas. Honestly, one of the area's premier gated master planned communities. It offers resort style amenities, it's got top rated Frisco ISD schools, and a true sense of community. Now, Richwoods is known for its beautifully landscaped green spaces, its pocket parks, and miles of walking trails that connect neighbors and friends alike. Now, just beyond these gates, you're going to find everything that makes North Texas living so desirable. You have got a state-of-the-art amenity center. It has a 6,000 square foot pool, a fitness center, and a splash pad. Not to mention, Richwoods is conveniently located just minutes from the best shopping, dining, and all of the major highways. Hi, this is Andrew with the Andrew Smith team, eXp Realty here in Frisco, Texas. And today I am excited to take you inside one of my newest listings. It is an absolutely stunning 5-bedroom, 4.5 bath luxury home right here in the Richwoods community. It offers over 4,200 square feet of elegant living space. There is a dedicated office. There is a guest bedroom on the main floor in addition to the primary bedroom. There's a game room, a media room, and a flex room. And it is in one of the absolute best locations as you have no neighbors directly behind you. So now that you've seen some of the home, what are your thoughts so far? It's absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to get your thoughts. Now, if you'd like additional information about this home, if you want to see all of the photos, get a copy of the floor plan, or do a 3D walkthrough tour of the home yourself, then I invite you to do that. In the description below, you are going to find a link to the property details page that has all of that information. Alternatively, you can go ahead and scan this QR code and it's going to take you directly to that property details page where you can also schedule your own private showing. So now that you've seen the entire home, what are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. Did you have a favorite room, a favorite feature? I'd love to know what it is that you thought. Now again, I want to thank you for spending time with me today touring this absolutely beautiful home here in the Richwoods community in Frisco. As a reminder, we've got over 4,200 square feet. We've got 5 bedrooms. We've got 4.5 baths. You've got the dedicated office, a formal dining room. You've got the media room. You've got the game room. You have a flex room, not to mention a workshop in the garage as well. It is truly a spectacular property. Now, when you combine that with the unbelievable lifestyle that Richwoods offers. I mean, a gated, family-friendly community with resort-style amenities, the fitness center, the pool, the parks, the walking trails, and Frisco ISD's top-rated schools. You can see why homes in this neighborhood are in such high demand. Now, if you'd like to schedule a private showing, or if you want to get additional information about this home, see all of the photos, get the floor plan, do the 3D walkthrough, then I invite you to go ahead and scan this QR code. It's going to take you directly to a property details page where you can get all of that information. Alternatively, in the description below, I do have a link to that exact same property details page. So thanks so much for touring this home with me today. I really appreciate you watching, and I will see you in the next video.